100-watt RGB. It's not really where I want to put it yet, but I just wanted to see what it was going to look like. And it's going to make my 30-foot pool look amazing from 30 feet up in the air once I get it up over there on my light pole. Green, red, white, obviously the blue. But I like the blue. That looks great. I mean, it's got my whole back of my house lit. Just that one light. Not counting the 10-watt ones all the way down there. But yes, the whole backyard is lit up. At least on this side of the yard. 100-watt RGB. They do it again.